12 bizarre creatures that look like aliens and terrify humans. The wild animal world is incredibly vast, with over 8 million species living on Earth. It's no surprise that there are many creatures you've probably never seen before. In today's video, you'll explore animals whose names alone sound strange, and they're no less terrifying either. 1. Proboscis monkey, long-nosed monkey. This primate belongs to the family Cercopithecidae. It's easily recognized by its unusually long nose. Native to Borneo and other islands in Southeast Asia, the proboscis monkey has yellow-orange to light brown fur. Males use their long, drooping noses to attract females. Scientists believe these oversized organs amplify their calls, helping them impress females and intimidate rivals. In the world of swimmers, proboscis monkeys are among the best. They often leap from trees and belly flop into the water. With webbed hands and feet, they can swim even faster than crocodiles. Males weigh up to 23 kilograms, while females are half that. Their fur turns reddish on the head and shoulders, and gray on limbs and tail as they mature. Only males grow the prominent nose. They feed on leaves, seeds, and unripe fruits, and occasionally insects. 2. Thorny devil, thorny lizard, Moloch. Scientific name, Moloch horridus. The only species in the genus Moloch, native to Australia. This lizard's body is covered in sharp spikes and even has a false head on its neck to confuse predators. Females are larger than males. Its dusty brown color helps it blend into the desert. The spikes help it absorb water from any part of its body, channeling it to the mouth, a clever desert adaptation. 3. Transparent tail jellyfish, planktonic tail life. These transparent jellyfish live off the coast of California. They belong to a subphylum of translucent, planktonic creatures. 4. Cretaceous moth. Once a viral sensation for its bizarre appearance, this moth is part of the nocturnal moth family. Native to China, Southeast Asia, and northern Australia. It features vibrant colors: white, black, red, and yellow, and 4 hairy tentacles that make it look terrifying. These are scent-emitting organs found only in males, used to attract mates. 5. Pink-lipped batfish. Though called a fish, it doesn't swim. Instead, it walks on the ocean floor using its pectoral fins. It resembles a bat in shape and uses its bright pink lips to attract mates, and sometimes lure humans. Its appearance is anything but ordinary. 6. Pelican eel. A rarely seen deep-sea creature that sometimes gets caught in fishing nets. The only known member of the genus Uropharynx and family Uropharyngidae. Also called the gulper eel, it has a massive mouth resembling a pelican's, a long bioluminescent tail, and a nearly invisible belly. 7. Blue parrotfish. Also known as the parrotfish, this species is mainly blue and part of the Scarus genus. Discovered in the Atlantic Ocean, its body ranges from 30 to 75 centimeters long. Adult males can grow up to 1.2 meters. It has a large mouth shaped like a bird's beak. 8. Sapomassima jellyfish. This jellyfish has a translucent body and propels itself by contracting its muscles and pumping water. Though gelatinous in appearance, its internal organs are invisible except for a single yellow spot. Living in cold waters, it's harmless and feeds on plankton. It's known for its unique lifestyle, living alone or in groups depending on the time. When living in groups, the sapa will link their bodies into a large chain, moving, feeding, and developing together. The blobfish is a creature with a cute color but a very bizarre shape. Also known as the blobfish, it has been compared to the character Jabba the Hutt from Star Wars, with milky white skin and a featureless face. When viewed from the front in profile, its head looks like a grumpy, overweight man with a C-shaped nose. An adult blobfish can reach up to 30 centimeters in length. Its body is a gelatinous mass with a density slightly less than water, allowing it to float above the ocean floor without expending energy on swimming. This structure also helps it withstand the intense pressure of the deep sea without being crushed. Because of this, the blobfish is very lazy when it comes to movement. On September 12, 2013, it was unofficially voted the ugliest animal in the world. The goblin shark, also known as pring shark, is a species we might never see in real life. It's a deep-sea shark with an ugly appearance and a long nose resembling a bird's beak. Its entire body is pinkish white, and it has a jaw that can extend outward with many sharp teeth perfect for crushing prey. This jaw is also a key feature that distinguishes the goblin shark from other shark species. An adult goblin shark can grow over 3 meters in length and weigh more than 200 kilograms. The penis snake is a terrifying creature you'll never forget after seeing today's video. Also known as the penis eel, this animal was discovered by Brazilian scientists at a hydroelectric dam spanning the Madeira River in Rondônia, Brazil, after engineers drained the water. Its shape closely resembles a real human penis. According to Daily Mail, 6 penis snakes were found, each about 1 meter long, at the bottom of the Madeira River. Biologists identified it as a rare species closely related to salamanders and frogs, even though it looks remarkably like a snake. Can you believe it? There's a bird species that belongs to the parrot family, can't fly, and has an incredibly unique appearance, the kakapo. Compared to other parrots or birds in general, the kakapo has a large gray beak, short legs, big feet, short wings, and a short tail. Its feathers are greenish-yellow with fine spots and a clearly defined brown patch on its face. But what makes it even more extraordinary is that it's the only flightless parrot in the world. Kakapos live in forest floors, shrublands, and coastal regions. They might also be one of the longest living bird species on Earth, with lifespans reaching up to 95 years, and the oldest recorded kakapo lived to be 125. These birds are herbivores and nocturnal, feeding on various native plants, seeds, fruits, pollen, and even tree sap. They especially love chewy rimu fruits and tubers found in gardens. Although they can't fly, they use their wings like parachutes to glide down from trees. When frightened, instead of fleeing, the kakapo freezes in place to blend into its surroundings, an effective defense mechanism that has protected it from many predators. Lastly, we have the elephant trunk cicada, a species most students have probably never seen. Scientifically known as Fulgura laternaria, this insect has a long trunk-like extension on its head that looks just like an elephant's trunk. This structure is actually an elongated mouthpart used to suck tree sap. It's also one of the most stunning insects, with brilliantly colored wings resembling those of butterflies. In flight, it's often mistaken for a butterfly, but in reality, it's a cicada. Have you ever seen any of these bizarre creatures before? Leave a comment below. Subscribe to the channel to discover more weird and fascinating things from around the world. See you in the next video.